Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to make custom floral border in MS Word. This is the pro level way to make a Word documents look like custom stationery or a branded report. So double click on the top of the page to enable the header and footer, and then go to the insert and click on the pictures and click on this device and look for the transparent floral frame PNG or watercolor border in PNG. It allows your text to show through the center of the frame. If you use the JPG, the white center will cover your typing. And then click on the picture format and click on the wrap text and click on the behind text. Now that image is floating, so you can stretch it. So grab the corner handles and drag them to the corners of the page. So once you are happy with the placement, or you can click on the picture format and click on the align and click on the align to page. This will be perfectly centered. And now double click outside the page. The border will look slightly faded on your screen. This is normal. It's just a word showing you that the border is in the background. It will print in full vibrant colors. So I hope now you understand how you can create image pattern border in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.